How to update billing information on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. From here, go to Payment and Shipping. On this page, you can view and manage your payment settings. You can add new payment methods or even remove them if you want. Here, go to the Billing Address section and tap on your account. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. On this page, you can view or change the billing name and address for your payment. Once you're done, tap on the tick icon above. Following these steps, you can easily update billing information on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.